Nice intercloud strikes. It's a bit, the clouds are pretty thick because these anvil crawlers are not visible from the ground. Wow, this was nice. About 7 kilometers from here according to the thunder, but it must have been as well within the clouds above me because I could hear it about 4 or 5 seconds after the strike. Wow, it's flashing. I wonder if it would have been better from the shore. Okay, looks like it's sort of fading, no more strikes are visible. There are clearer skies and some post-storm convection, which I will show you in a moment. I'll just wait like 1 more minute, and if there is no strike, I'm gonna call this a storm. Just raining very light, that's falling from the anvil. Wow. Wow, this was nice. I just looked there. Wow. 5 kilometers from here. Flash somewhere to the right, probably. Wow, this was nice. In the cloud. 2 kilometers from here. Must have been close to water strike, since it's such deep thunder. I can feel the vibrations even here. It must have hit the water like 10 kilometers, maybe less, 8 to 10 kilometers from here. There's a flash right now. Wow. Nice CG over water. motion, but visible nicely. Okay, I finished with this storm, no more lightning, so there are some more storms west towards Bella Glade where I was this morning, moving behind these storms. There is still moist southwest flow generating additional storms. Just west of these, surface heating is still taking place, so I'm gonna head towards those. Okay, right now I'm just north of Sebring, and there are thunderstorms near Tampa, a little bit to the east of Tampa. Just in front of me I see flashes of lightning. Wow, right over there. Time is 8:43 in the evening. So I'm gonna head over there. There is plenty of clear skies, so no convective debris to the south. So I expect this system to stay alive until later at night. At least until midnight. It's starting to rain right now, just some light rain, nothing heavy yet. These are like convective showers, maybe induced by those thunderstorms, but the main storm towers are northwest of me. Getting pretty heavy now. Okay, I'm going through some convective showers. They may later on develop into thunderstorms as well. But I think if anything develops, it will be in front of me because it's dependent on those storm showers. I mean storm cells. Whoa, far actually now. Wow. Just turn the camera. It's absolutely dry here, so I think it showers. Because there's a low pressure center over central Florida. Wow. So probably those showers are developing due to that low pressure center. Those thunderstorms are closer to the shore, so they have more even moisture available than those showers which have just passed through. So heading there. Wow. Going north. Whoa. They are getting to my left more and more. So I think I have to take the first possible route southwest. 9 o'clock. I just filled up my tank to have enough for the night. Whoa, just seen TG. I mean CC, but I've seen a bolt. Wow. Tampa West, yeah, that's it, that's good. This will take me straight in front of the storm. Storm right in front of me. Whoa, look. Wow. There are actually two storms. Yeah, I saw there was a flash before. There's one storm a bit more to the south. So I'm not sure which one I should stay with. Southern or the northern, because the southern has just developed, so it will have a longer lifetime. But it's not yet as strong. Wow. So there are two cores, the main big storm, plus one storm on the left which flashes from time to time. The main storm is the one which is flashing like the last flash was from the main storm. Then there is occasional, but quite frequent flash like in front of it or in between those two. And very occasionally one lightning strike or lightning flash on the top part of the cloud. On the right hand side I can actually see the cumulus. The left one, wow. There are some, whoa. Yeah, I can actually, looks like the storm are sort of getting interconnected. So at least it seems like so. Flashes are coming from the whole area of clouds. Right, so actually I think I'm getting rain, maybe. Actually it's not rain, it's probably some big flies. Because there are swamps everywhere around me. So there are many flies and all sorts of insects, so it's almost like if it was raining. After I pass these lower level cumuli, I have a better view of the storm. It's a bit north of me, moving south, and it's all west of me, but I'm moving west, so we are on collision with the storm. But the storm is moving very slowly, so I will have to move north when I get below it. Or maybe if some shower course out of the main storm develops into a lightning producing thunderstorm, I will stay with it. I can continue 60 west to 70. I will keep 61 east. I've got the first rain. It means I'm getting close. Big drops falling on me. Wow. Wow. Whoa, whoa, whoa. North to west. Wow. Storm is just moving to this area. Rain fall. Whoa. Whoa! You must have seen this one. It's like right somewhere in front of me. Wow. One of these holes must have been. Wow. Whoa. Actually, maybe south of me, or actually there are more cores around. Localize the lightning now, where it is. I think it's to the south of me. Yeah, it's moving sort of. Yeah, I know where it's moving. Let me just find it. Because the activity is south of me, so go west. Whoa. Whoa. Listen for the thunder. I'm gonna go south as soon as I can. Straight to 7, let's take it left. That's where I need to go. I think my direction is good so far. I'll keep in this route. Because all the lighting is in front of me, so I don't think there's a better route than this one right now. Some big drops falling, still on the front side of the storm. Should get a bit. Whoa, whoa! Nice CG just left of me. Whoa! Wow! Wow! There's some kind of a junction right now. Whoa! 640. Well, I think I will take this back towards the west, maybe towards the east. In this direction. Wow! Wow! So penetrating of the storm which left precipitation here. The strongest one according to the radar is east of me and moving southeast, so I'm gonna follow it because the main core is just in front of me and not very far, but the strikes appear to be northeast of me, so maybe the main the strikes are usually on the rear side of the storm. Whoa. So that's probably why I see them more to the north than I would expect. Wow! Some very large drops right now. So this is where I am now. This looks like developing course. This junction with 555. I'm gonna stay on this one. Or just keep on going east. Well, I will actually wait here for a while to see where the lightning is coming from and the thunder. Wow, that was nice. 3 kilometers from here. Let me go somewhere where I could stop, because I think there is a car coming behind me, so I can't wait here anymore if it is. Wow, wow. This might have been even to the south, so I'll turn around and head south of the storm. So I see more flashes. Whoa! Where is this from? I just wonder where it's coming from, because I can't localize these flashes. Yeah, it's going south, so most of the strikes are within the clouds. That's why I see just flashes. I don't see the balls. Looks like 2 cars, one to the left, one in front of me, which means the first one is south, the other one is east of me, or west of me. But the activity is going to the southeast, so I'm going to go south. Wow. I'm 555 right now. The storms are still behind me. Going too far south because there is another storm south of here, which is further than the one north of me. It actually made me believe the activity has moved south. It's one more strike, just to be sure it's still in front of me. Yeah, it's over there. Wow, this was really nice. Looking towards the storm cloud, it looks like it's falling apart right now. Still I can hear some interesting thunder. I've turned on off the engine. Wow. Wow, this was nice. 4.5 kilometers from here, intercloud. It must have been CG because I can hear loud, like deep thunder, so I'm gonna move, getting into rain area. Wow. Wow. 3 kilometers from here. There's a flash south of here, probably from the southern storm. Wow. Looks like southern storm has become more intense, so let me just find a route to it. Not much for you, this light, I'll do it quickly. Settling. This anvil is not producing even any anvil crawlers, which storms usually do in their light stage. But there are some like single flashes coming from the south, so there could be some redevelopment taking place. There are again quite many flashes. Wow. I'm gonna catch up with the storm. I'm getting some rain right now. Haven't seen any bolts, just flashes. So it must be heavy rain. Wow. Wow. Just left of here. I may go left. Wow. And it's definitely left from me. I reckon I need to turn east, which is left. Looks like there is not much lightning lately. So I think I'm gonna stop and check the radar. So it looks like this thunderstorm has fallen apart.